If you've been using Excel for some time now, you would have probably sorted your data at some point using columns from highest to lowest or from lowest to highest. In this video, I'll show you how to sort your data by a row. Now I have a dummy set of data with 6 stores, and these stores are selling energy drinks or some fuzzy drinks. As you can see, we have some dummy numbers here, and what we would like to analyze is the performance of each store. And once we have analyzed that, we would like to rearrange our columns starting from highest to lowest. So in cell B2, I have WOS, which stands for weight of store. Let's calculate that using the sum formula, and I will highlight the data for store number 1. Let's use the function key F4 to lock the row because we would like to drag our formula to the right hand side. So clicking on F4 twice, we're locking the row. Divide this by the total data set for all the stores. Click on F4 once to lock our range, press enter, and we get a weightage of 18.9 for store number 1. Let's drag our formula, and you can clearly see that store number 6 with a weightage of 22.7% stands at number 1 position. So let's copy this and paste it as values, and what we would like to do is we would like to rearrange our columns so that we have the weightage from highest to lowest. Now there are a couple of methods that we can use. You can use formulas, you can also do it manually, and let me show you the manual method. If I highlight my store number 6, which has the highest weightage, using the right button on your mouse, let's right click it, drag it to the left hand side, release the mouse button, and you can see that we have a number of options. We can click on shift right and move, and basically what will happen is the data set in column C will move to the right hand side. So that's exactly what we want. Click on shift right and move, and now we have store number 6 with a weightage of 22.7%, followed by the second position, followed by the third position, and the fourth should be store number 4. So we'll highlight our data, right click, drag it to the left hand side, shift right and move, and 14.8, store number 5 should be the second last. Let's drag it to the left hand side, shift right and move, and now we have sorted our data from highest to lowest manually. Now there is another method which is the easiest method, and if I Control Z and I go back to the original state, in this case we have only 6 stores. What if you had 50 stores and 50 columns? Then your task would be difficult. So in this case, let's highlight our data. Let's go to the data tab. In the sort and filter group, let's click on sort, and by default you can see that it says column, sort by column G. You can click on any column, column C, D, E, as long as you have highlighted all the number of columns. You can sort from highest to lowest. In this case, we want to sort it by row number 2, or in other words, we would like to sort our data by the weightage of each store. So you have options here. Click on the options button, click on sort left to right, say OK, and as soon as you do that, you can see that the column now changes to row. Sort by, we would like to sort by row number 2, cell values, and we want to choose largest to smallest. Click on OK, and that's done in an instant. So you can see 22.7 followed by the low performing stores. So in this way you can sort your data by row, and you can rearrange your columns from highest to lowest. So I hope you enjoyed this short video, and stay tuned for more Excel hacks. If you like this video, please click on the subscribe button and you will find my link. I have a link to my course on Udemy where I have a course on complete Excel formulas, advanced analysis using different tools, Power Query, Power BI, DAX calculations, macros, VBA, and chart animation. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.